Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your school locker effectively. First, find your assigned locker and make sure you know its number. Then, take a few moments to practice opening and closing it. This helps you get comfortable with the mechanism. It's super important to memorize your combination or keep it in a very secure spot. Remember, your locker is your personal space, so never share your combination with anyone else. Keeping your locker organized saves you time and stress throughout the school day. Consider adding small shelves or bins to utilize the vertical space efficiently. This helps keep your textbooks and binders neatly stacked, preventing them from toppling over. If you have gym clothes, store them in a breathable bag to avoid any unpleasant odors. A small magnetic mirror or whiteboard can also be a handy addition for quick checks or reminders. Developing good daily habits will make locker use seamless. Try to visit your locker between classes to swap out textbooks and materials for your next lessons. It's a good practice to avoid leaving valuable items, like electronics or large sums of money, in your locker overnight. Always remember to keep your locker clean by removing any trash or old papers daily. Most importantly, always ensure your locker is securely locked every single time you close it. Maintaining your locker and ensuring its security is crucial. If you notice any damage or issues with your locker, report it to a staff member immediately so it can be addressed. Never try to force your locker open if it gets stuck, as this could cause further damage. It's generally best to avoid decorating the exterior of your locker. Also, always keep the area directly around your locker clear to ensure easy access and safety for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.